Okay.
Okay, so the book is written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman, and it's called The Bear Snores On. Can y'all make a snoring sound? And what kind of animals do you see in the book?
I see a bear, a bunny, and I don't know what that last animal is.
I see
There's
a badger and a mole.
And a mole, and then a bunny, and then a bear.
Yeah, any other animals?
Oh, and a crow. And a bird.
Yeah.
I see a brown face, like behind the pasture.
In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a hot, small, hot spark. Have y'all ever felt the snow?
No.
I have.
I felt snow.
I didn't get to feel it.
Yeah, I have. It doesn't really snow.
Yeah, it doesn't really snow.
There's like a 3% chance of snow on Highland. We got really snow. And we made snow and I got
Y'all made snow. Was that fun?
really close. It was like probably like
Okay, what do you think
19 degrees.
too damp and too dank means?
Too wet?
Yeah, kind of. It's like slightly wet. So yeah, damp and dank mean the same thing. Okay. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. Can y'all make a slurp sound? But the bear snores on. I was coughing. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." What do you think divvy means?
Start eating all of them.
Kind of. It kind of means they like. Does anybody else know? No.
Sip.
So let's divvy them up. So they're gonna divide them and share them. So divvy up the honey nuts. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave, in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, do y'all know what's gonna happen? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls, and he snarls. Bear roars, and he rumbles. Bear jumps, and he stumps. Bear growls, and he grumbles. Y'all think Bear's mad?
Yes.
Yeah. You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, he wails, and he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end. So what did y'all think of the book?
It was good.
It was good?
I loved it.
What was your favorite part?
I can't remember.
You can't remember?
My favorite part is when the bunny came.
The bunny came?
A million out of 10.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, thank y'all for letting me read to y'all.
Bye.